Assalamualaikum my dear students, how do you feel today? My anticipation is well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And to meet you, all of you are welcome to NIBS Home School. This is Abid Hossain Khan, Assistant Teacher in Mathematics at Day Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am gonna take a mathematics class for class 3. And our topic is multiplication part 1. Multiplication part 1, which is included in the half yearly syllabus, and our today's lecture is 17 and HW is 15, and HW is the same as this class. Now my dear students, let's go to start our class. Multiplication. My dear students, multiplication is the short form of addition. Multiplication is the short form of addition. Suppose there is 3 5s, 5, 5, 5. If you want to add these 3 5s, that 5 and 5 it will be 10, then 10 and 5 it will be 15. So the answer will be 15. But multiplication is the short form of addition. Then there are 1, 2, 3 5s. So if I write 5 is 3 times, 5 is 3 times, then 5 3s are 15. So this is the short form of this addition. My dear students, multiplication is short form of the addition. For solving multiplication problem, you have to know the times table, which is called the basic multiplication. You have to memorize this very properly and carefully, otherwise you can't solve the multiplication problem. Now start our class. 56 and 4. First of all, you have to use the sign of multiplication, then draw a line for bring down the answer, and you have to follow the lineup. You have to follow the lineup. Look, 6 and 4 is the same line and 5 is the another line. That means you have to put the value of ones place and tens place sequentially. First of all, if you start 56 and 4, then you have to start the ones place. You have to start the ones place. That means 6 multiply 4. You know that, my dear students, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24. But here the answer is 2-digit numbers. Here the answer is 2-digit numbers, where 4 is ones place value and 2 is the tens place value. You have to bring here this one ones place value 4 and 2 will go to tens place. Then add 4 and 5, then multiply 4 and 5. 4 and 5, 4 5s are 20 plus 2. 20 plus 2, what will be? 20 plus 2, it will be 22. Here the answer is also 2-digit number, but there is no digit before the tens place, so 22 will bring here, and the answer will be 224. My dear students, let's go the next question. Similarly, you have to use the multiple signs and draw a line. First of all, 7 into 5. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35, and there is carry 3. 7 zeros are 0. 0 and 3. We know that 0 plus 3 it will be 3. So here it will be 3. Then the next number 7 and 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Since there is no digit before the 100 place, so 21 will be here, and the answer is 2135. That means 2135. Now the next question, there is 28 and 73. Look my dear students, last two question, the bottom digit is one digit number, that is 4 and 7, but here two digit numbers, that means multi-digit numbers. If I write 28 multiply 3 and 28 multiply 7, there is two single digit multiplication. So you have to multiply 3 and 28 first, then 7 and 28. First 3 8, 3 8s are 24, and there is carry 2, 3 2s are 6, and carry 2, 6 and 2 is 8. Then so it is 84. Then 7 and 28, 7 and 28, 7 8s are 56, there is carry 5, 7 2s are 14, and 5, 14 and 5, it will be 19. We have got here two answer, 84 and 196. Now what can we do? Look my dear students, this is 7, which is the tens place value. That means tens place means multiply by 10. Tens place means multiply by 10. Since multiply by 10, so you have to use 0 here, and the answer will be 10 times of this one. So here the answer will be 6, 9 and 1. 1960, which is the 10 times of 196. Now again draw a line and use the addition symbol here. You have to add 84 and 1960. So 4 and 0, it will be 4, 6 and 8, it will be 14. So here again 4 and there is carry 1, 9 and 1, it will be 10. Here is 0 and carry 1, 1 and 1, it will be 2. So the required answer is 2044. My dear students, hope you understood this one. Now go to next question. 298 and 35. Similarly, use the multiplication symbol and draw the line. My dear students, we have already done two multi-digit number by two multi-digit numbers, three multi-digit number by one digit number, two multi-digit number by one digit number. But here, three multi-digit number will be multiplied by two multi-digit number. Similarly, the last way, you have to multiply 298 by 5 at first. 5 8s are 40, there is 4 is carry, 9 5s are 45, 45 and 4, it will be 49, there is carry 4, 5 2s are 10, 10 and 4, it will be 14. Since 3 is the tens place value, so first of all you have to use 0. Then 3 8s are 24, there is carry 2, 3 9s are 27 and 2 is 29, there is carry 2, 3 2s are 6 and 2 is 8. Then 0 plus 0, it will be 0, 9 plus 4, it will be 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, there is carry 1, 9 and 1 is 10, 10 and 4, it will be 14, there is carry 1, 8 and 1 is 9, 9 and 1 is 10, and the required answer is 10,430. Hope my dear student you understood this one. Now Go to next question, question number 5. Question number 5, 48 multiplied by 93. 48 multiplied by 93. First of all, you have to arrange this way, 48 and 93. The similar way you have already done, and then start to do multiplication. 3 8s are 24, there is 4 and carries 2, 3 4s are 12 and 2 is 14. Then start from 0 at the ones place. 9 and 8, 9 8s are 72, 72 2 is here and carries 7, 9 4s are 36, 36 and 7, it will be 43. So the answer will be, after adding 4 2 and 2 is 6, 3 and 1 is 4 and there is 4. So the record answer is 4464. Hope my dear students you understood the way of multiplication. You have to solve this type of problem at your home more and more, and take care of yourself. See you soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz.